Since the first time the Taliban regained power in Kabul in 2021, Afghanistan's acting foreign minister Amir Khan Muttaqi is in India for a week-long visit. This comes a day after India backed Afghanistan's stand on Bagram Air Base, rejecting any revival of American presence. Upon Muttaqi's arrival, Ministry of External Affairs spokesperson issued a statement welcoming him to India. It read, and I quote, "Warm welcome to Afghan Foreign Minister Maulavi Amir Khan Muttaqi on his arrival in New Delhi. We look forward to engaging discussions with him on bilateral relations and regional issues." Unquote. During his visit, Muttaqi is likely to meet External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar and National Security Advisor Ajit Doval. The visit comes at a crucial time of regional diplomacy as Islamabad is warming up to Washington again, while New Delhi is looking to deepen its engagement with the Taliban government in Kabul. Trade and security remain the top agenda of Muttaqi's India visit. But as New Delhi prepares for bilateral engagements, officials are facing a flag dilemma. The diplomatic protocols dictates that Indian flag be placed alongside the flag of the country of the visiting leader. But since India does not recognize the Taliban's rule in Afghanistan, it does not give official status to the Taliban flag. Moreover, New Delhi has not allowed the Taliban flag at the Afghan embassy in New Delhi. The embassy still flies the old flag of Afghanistan, which was official at the time of now ousted President Ashraf Ghani. In previous meetings between Indian officials and Muttaqi, Kabul has displayed the Taliban flag in the background. However, during Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri's meeting with Muttaqi in Dubai earlier this year, both sides avoided the issue by not displaying any flag at all. Historically, India and Afghanistan had friendly relations, but New Delhi shut its embassy in Kabul after the 2021 US withdrawal from the war-shattered country and the return to power of the Taliban. India opened a small mission a year later to facilitate trade, medical support, and humanitarian aid. Although New Delhi does not officially recognize the Taliban government, it has cautiously re-engaged through diplomatic talks and development projects. India remains involved in the Turkmenistan-Afghanistan-Pakistan-India gas pipeline initiative and continues to extend humanitarian and reconstruction support to Afghanistan.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.